Hi guys, today we have with us Radhika. Radhika's journey we want to talk about today. Radhika from Thane to Germany. So before I go into anything, and यार you're looking babe यार तुम वहाँ जाके एकदम hot हो गई हो.
I was always.
Always hot, true. That's a fact as well. Yeah, you're
Yeah.
always good. So, Hanji. So first of all, why Germany?
Okay. So, like, I'll tell you. After I did give CET, of course, and then I had like two, three options in my mind, and I wanted to go somewhere in Europe because I did not want that US thing again. And मेरे सब friends US में हैं, so मुझे कुछ like अलग करना था और मुझे घूमना पसंद है. So Europe was my main focus. Then I concentrated on masters in management, in which I actually sought out and put applications. Chose three countries actually. Through you have those lists on the internet, you know which best colleges are there. So I applied in Germany as well as in France. And I also like I was thinking to apply in Spain too, but those were the two main like things which I was looking forward to. Now talking about France, like I was a little bit put off by French language because I'm a little bit scared, and quite frankly I've heard from people that the culture over there is like you need to know the language very well. Germany में भी ऐसा है,
Germany भी
but
है
the thing
exactly.
is, yeah, hey, but as like since I'm living here, I can tell you this, that you can still jive really well if you know English here. And that's how, like, first was key language ki, okay, if I go there, will I be able to survive quickly, take over things quickly and all that. And then I'll tell you one more thing, ki actually taking this decision, it had to be very pre-planned. So like I would say that was my mistake. For me it was in a jiffy. Like I applied in about I think Jan or so, and I was through by March. So I had to decide and go quickly, and then we had COVID and everything was a
मैं
whole.
वही सोचूं यार इंस्टा पे फोटो है थाने 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 चल रहा था एंड सडनली हो गया कहाँ पहुंच गए
Oh my god,
I think वो कहाँ
it
गए
was
भैया
challenging. It was challenging for sure to get here, and especially when the banks are closed and all. Oh my god, like you need everything arranged. But yeah, very fortunately that happened, so it was good. And the German government was really nice. They were giving out visas that time for children who want to get there, who are studying there. And plus even my college helped a lot. Oh, before that, I study right now in ESMT, which is European School of Management and Technology. It is in Berlin, and it is the number one MBA college in Germany. So yeah, so they helped me quite a lot because I'll tell you, like the college building which I have was actually Chancellor ka pehle ka office.
oh nice
So we have they have really good ties with the government, so everything was fine for the Indian students to get. So more about why Germany, I would say I wanted to come here because I wanted to do a master's in management program. So it is sort of like an MBA with lesser experience, but you again have the same modules, and plus you have a compulsory internship, whatever we see in the MBA program in India. So like I did not want to waste my time because like for us in India, you have to again wait for another year and the whole process goes on. So I was like, I had to go ahead. I can't keep wasting time like that.
plus I think
So
last year the CET delay also broke the back of a lot of
yeah,
students and you were in fact
yeah.
going for CET again yeah for those I don't know if you are okay to talk about a percentile you got 95 percentile in CET first attempt
Yeah. I got
97
96. Yeah,
96
96. Yeah.
and then you went for
And
trying again but then
yes, yes, yes. But that is when I was like, if we are already studying for CT for a person like us, we don't have to work too much to give a GRE. Like if you're doing CAT, you're doing, obviously you'll do CAT if you're going to give CET. So if you just give 1 month of preparation, the same month for especially English, because maths, anyone who does CET and CAT can easily crack. So
true
only for English, if you give 1 month, then why not? And there should be a backup plan too, or else it's like next year, next year.
exactly okay now if you look at the agent's point of view normally they recommend Ireland they are recommending now East Europe as well I love East Europe by the way I for some other
It's very
reasons
beautiful.
not for
Okay.
okay so I think that because they are getting commission from the colleges and all Turkey so Germany we have all heard that the fees is quite low this and that so what is the truth about is it the fact that yes they're quite cheap
Okay, yes. So see, here there are two types of colleges. One are public universities and the others are private universities. So if you enroll yourself for private universities, you are going to pay the fees accordingly. So like my university is private. So yes, I am paying the fees accordingly. And if of course you apply for scholarships and all, you can get the help for that. Now, if you go to public universities over there, yes, like you don't have fees. You just have to go like come here and you have to only like pay for your expenses, for your living expenses or so. So yes, education, that is true. Like you can apply to those colleges.
Okay,
So
it's
yeah,
like India, like JBFMS, the fees is quite low. So
yes, yes,
here
yes.
JBFMS, there's no fees. But if you want to go for SP Jain, you want to go for IIM Ahmedabad, you have to pay the fees.
Exactly, exactly, just like that.
Superb, superb.
Yeah.
And how much is the fees approximately?
So again, it changes from institute to institute, but you can like, and it's different for engineering courses and for management courses. So if you are looking forward to management, right now it's about 30k euros to about 40k euros or more than that. If you go to like higher colleges and stuff.
It's
So yeah.
around 30 lakh, approximate 30 lakh.
Yes. So that will just be the fees. It won't cover the living
Right,
expenses.
true,
Yeah.
true, true, true. Superb, superb. And are you working? Are you working somewhere according along with this? Okay, you are going to.
Yeah. So I am interning right now. So I'm interning at Bosch right now.
Wow.
Uh, yeah. So it is like since I'm doing a management course, I have to do a mandatory internship for 6 months. So right now my college is not there. I don't have lectures. But other people who are doing engineering, they are doing their college as well as they're doing an internship. So yeah.
Superb, super. It's a paid internship, I assume.
Yes, it is a paid internship. Here the
We
culture is
middle class. We are middle class. हम पहले पहले वो पूछते हैं कि पैसा मिलेगा कि नहीं.
here the culture is if you're giving your time and if you're doing something productive for someone, they will pay you. Like that's how it is here.
True, true, true. The value time basically.
Yeah.
इंडिया में टाइम की
And
वैल्यू नहीं है. Time is assumed to be free.
that is, yeah. I mean, I've also experienced it, so I
True,
can't
true,
say no.
exactly,
Like,
exactly,
yeah.
exactly. ठीक है. Now I'm talking about the typical मिडिल क्लास पर्सन के पैसा रिटर्न कब मिलेगा. मैंने जो खर्चा किया तेरे ऊपर वो पैसा वापस कब मिलेगा. So what is the ROI scene which looks, how the ROI scene look like?
Okay, so let's talk about the real situation. I'll talk about how what I observed. So let's talk about the internship of how it started. So everyone knows in my college that you're supposed to start your internship by March. That is like lectures खत्म हो जाते हैं March को. So March से लेके September तक you can intern or work anywhere you want accordingly. So for getting any kind of internship, you need to start applying by Jan, like 2 months. So what happens is as a student, first of yeah, मेरे को German language का कुछ certification है नहीं. जिसको वो होगा उनके लिए बहुत advantages हैं because it becomes easier for you to get a internship or a job. So even if you don't have that, it is not impossible to get an internship here. And very fortunately, in my batch, everyone is placed because like our college a reputation, and the second is you're doing management courses. So like very quickly people did get placed here, like at least for internships or so. Then I talked with my seniors, even they did not like see like 2-3 महीना जाता ही है, like be it a job, be it an internship. And like in India कैसा है कि कॉलेज में आते हैं लोग कि हम तुम्हें लेके जाएंगे कैंपस प्लेसमेंट. बट हियर इट इज लाइक यू आर अप्लाइंग एवरीथिंग ऑनलाइन. सो वो लोग तुम्हारा सीवी देख रहे हैं, कवर लेटर देख रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर जो कुछ भी है डिसाइड कर रहे हैं. So that is the only thing which you have. And like initially for first 1 month, I'll also tell you like I had a lot of rejections. Like it was like, and they send you that rejection letter in the morning at 10 a.m. So every time you're having breakfast, it is like you have rejection. But yes, like something happens and you will be able to, break through for sure here. So that is the scene in Germany. Also, along with that, a huge advantage which students have here would be that they can intern in other countries nearby. Like you can go
Okay.
for internships for Switzerland or Austria or any other like country nearby. So
Right.
that was like cool.
I know there are people who walk up to Switzerland as well. तेरी बात नहीं कर रहा है, कॉल लड़की.
Yeah.
देखा तो स्विट्जरलैंड का कहाँ घूम रही है. हम तो वॉक करते करते आ गए वहाँ यार.
Yeah, it's like it's not even exciting. You just walked in, like there's a garden, and now you're in Switzerland. Like your mobile network will stop because it's only for German. That's how you
Okay,
know.
right, true, true, true. Even the train trains are like that. The next station is in Germany. The last
Yeah,
station next is in France.
yeah. you can very much like walk or take a bus. Yeah,
Superb, superb.
it's very easy.
Radhika, I would like to take one more session in the future if the students are interested to know more about that. So maybe one session, one guest lecture in front of students so that they can ask you question as well. अभी नहीं आगे जाके देखेंगे कभी
Sure,
time
sure. I'll
मिले
be very, very obliged to go ahead and let the students know about it. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. And how about the people there? My experience with the German, in my team there was one German and one Scottish person. Scottish was like typical Punjabi, एकदम हंसता गाता पीते घर का. And we both used to joke about the German कि तुम इतना serious क्यों हो भाई? And his jokes were very serious, एकदम वो. So is it the same for most of people, or how was your experience with the German people?
Okay, so like I'll tell you, I have two experiences. I've lived in Berlin for some months, and now I'm living in Stuttgart because of my internship. So in Berlin, you have full international crowds, and like सब जगह से लोग आते हैं वहाँ पे, so it's very easy to jive. And तुम्हें तुम्हारे एज ग्रुप के भी लोग मिलेंगे. और यहाँ पे कल्चर कैसा है, बहुत लोगों को घर पे रहना बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता. So you will see like full parks all every weekend. They're like you will see कि weekday पे कोई नहीं है, weekend पे सब लोग आ जाते हैं. So it's very easy, and people are like free here. Like they will very easily jive with you, ask you 2 questions, ask you out and stuff. It's very, very general. Now in Stuttgart, where I'm working, the culture is a little different, and that's where I observe the working culture. So one thing which I observe is जो कोई भी काम करता है ना मेरे साथ, they are very, very, they have this affinity towards family. Like everyone. एंड हाँ, यहाँ पे और एक चीज है कि लोग क्या करेंगे, अगर 9 बजे से हमें जॉब करना है ना, तो दे विल ट्राई टू लॉग इन वे बिफोर. कि वो लोग 7:30 या 8 बजे शुरू कर देंगे, एंड देन दे लॉग आउट बिफोर, एंड देन दे से कि नहीं, वो टाइम मैं फैमिली के साथ स्पेंड करूंगा. So that is a very huge difference. And during that working hour, they'll seriously work and finish everything. So that is a very huge difference. But and like yeah, everyone is very family affinitive. Like that feeling is there. So you will not find anyone doing a time pass or something because they want to be with their family. So that is one thing which I observed here. And second thing is about German language. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, वो हमें सिर्फ इवन आई वाज स्कैर्ड कि ओके हमें जर्मन आता नहीं है तो हम लोग कैसे, सबको इंग्लिश आता है, and it's very, very easy to jive here, and people are very helpful also. So I didn't get that problem yet. Like
Superb, superb. See, your comm skills are good. You're already smart. Even when you were here, also you were quite smart. But what about the average person? Like, suppose they are not very good in the comm skills. So, what is the percentage of an average Indian getting a job after their studies are over? Like 80% will get the job, 90%, 70%, approximate number.
I would say yeah, about 80%. And I would also say one more thing. Also, yeah, यहाँ पे companies are ready to take interns and jobs. Like I've heard a lot of companies like जहाँ पे मेरे दोस्त लोग अभी काम कर रहे हैं just वहाँ पे companies बहुत recruit कर रही है अभी because maybe now COVID is almost over and all. So right now they are taking up a lot of positions. Like every other day they are putting up posts. And one more thing is कि अगर अभी फटाक से तो कभी मिलता नहीं है internship या job, but थोड़े time के बाद मिल जाता है. And another advantage for a person here is Indians are everywhere. So if you sort of like network with people, and if you are trying to tell कि okay ये मेरा skill set है, ये मेरा ये है, then there is a possibility through networks. So I won't say it's totally impossible. मतलब. So I feel that there is a way for sure over here. Like you will not find any kind of I have to get back. At least from one more thing also, like with respect to visa and all, because I was initially thinking UK and all, but what happens is वहाँ पे लोग educate होके वापस आ जाते हैं country में. वहाँ पे visa issue होना थोड़ा tough हो जाता है, ऐसा मैंने सुना है.
True,
But
true.
यहाँ पे मेरे को यहाँ पे मेरे को सुना कि okay, you can try, you can go out for a job, and there are people like there are opportunities in Germany, like what I know. So I would say eventually a person does get a job. Sure.
Superb, superb. Great. See, I think that's where the cultural difference come. In India, you are kind of in a safe environment. तुम्हें हम placement लाके देंगे. Companies are coming to campus. So students are not that much willing to put efforts as well on networking, on their knowledge. पता job तो लगना ही है. If you're in a good college, you will get a job. But abroad, when there is no security, I think you learn more. Fine, because we as an Indian can do wonders. Trust me, अगर वो ना क्या बोलते हैं, अगर support काट दो तो जब पता ना कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर नहीं आना चाहते हम लोग, बट वंस यू आउट ऑफ द कंफर्ट जोन आई थिंक वी कैन डू वंडर्स.
Yeah, I agree. I totally agree. And it is a different experience because here, your parents are not here. Your favorite professor is not here. कि कोई तुम्हें ऐसा ये कर देगा, हाथ पकड़ लो. So yeah, like you have to keep on going, and like you have to apply. If you don't get an internship or a job, you have to keep on doing it every day.
True.
Yeah.
So then again, at the end of the day, it's all depends on individual as well. How good you are, or how
Yeah.
good your network is, com skills are, or how
Oh,
you can make
computer
your
skills.
answer better. Computer
Yeah.
skills.
Yeah. So I'm a computer engineer, but I did not want to go ahead with doing anything in respect to coding or stuff. But मेरे अभी जो first second semester हुआ, उसमें coding लगता है. Like we had analytics, so उसमें R आना, वो that is like very general here. And it's not like कि हमें करना पड़ रहा है. There are people who are philosophy graduates, वो लोग भी करते हैं. So it's very normal here. और वो लगता ही है थोड़े like यहाँ तक लगता है. So I won't say कि com skill कहाँ पे you won't be using it. You have to use it. So that is very important here.
Superb. Great. So what advice you like to give? Okay, I'm asking you a hypothetical question. There's a friend of mine who have got offer from the top 30 B school in India, not top 20, but top 30 versus Germany.
Of course, I would say Germany. Because the reason being, it's very simple. There are so many advantages over here compared to what you can get in India. Like यहाँ पे तुम सिर्फ आने से ही बहुत सारे दरवाजे खुल जाते हैं स्टूडेंट के लिए. लाइक लोग अलग होते हैं, यहाँ का लाइफस्टाइल तुम्हें समझता है, तुम्हें एक तो लर्निंग होती है पर्सनल. अलॉन्ग विद दैट स्पेशली इज लाइक एक्सपोजर, लाइक जो हमें इंडिया में बैठ के नहीं मिलेगा कि ठीक है हम लोग हमेशा. और हाँ, यहाँ पे इनफैक्ट आई वुड लाइक टू हाईलाइट दिस ऑल्सो, जो प्रेशर होता है ना कॉलेज में, एक मतलब ठीक है तुमने MBA जस्ट लाइक यू टुक एन एडमिशन इन अ कॉलेज, इवन इफ यू टेक एनी कॉलेज इवन इन आवर रीजन, महाराष्ट्र में भी कोई कॉलेज लो, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं 6 महीने तुम 6-7 सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ते हो. हम लोग भी पढ़ते हैं, बट फर्क क्या है यहाँ पे कि यहाँ पे एक सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाया जाता है और वो 2 या 3 वीक्स में खत्म होता है और तुम उसका एग्जाम देते हो एंड देन यू आर मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट. तो अब तुम क्या कर रहे हो, तुम एक सब्जेक्ट पे पूरा फोकस कर रहे हो एंड यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, लाइक यू कैन एक्चुअली सिट विथ योर रेफरेंस बुक, लर्न फ्रॉम इट एंड देन यू आर गोइंग अहेड. सो आई वुड से ये सब डिफरेंसेस वहां पे बैठ के और यहाँ पे बैठ के बहुत फर्क है. एंड सेकंड इज ऑफ कोर्स ब्रांड वैल्यू एंड स्टफ. लाइक तुम यहाँ पे बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज में अप्लाई कर सकते हो, लाइक इट इज नॉट अ ड्रीम एनीमोर, यू कैन एक्चुअली लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट. So yeah, I feel like obviously a person should choose this experience, and why not?
So one of my friend, what he did, he went to UK. He worked in the UK company for around 5-6 years, cable and wireless, and now he's transferred to India on UK payroll. So he's like UK employee, but working from India. And because he's coming to India, he's on site kind of thing. So he's getting some extra amount of money as well because on site. तो वो extra amount of money is more than sufficient to survive in India. तो उसकी पूरी salary is going into saving and he is enjoying his life. सही है यार life.
Even about that, especially like, और यहाँ पे सब जगह से आते हैं लोग. So I have a lot of like colleagues from Brazil, from every other country possible. So what happens is हमें जो internship का भी पे मिलता है ना, तुम उससे तुम्हारा रेंट भर के खुद का एक्सपेंस निकाल सकते हो. वो इंडिया में पॉसिबल नहीं है, कितना भी बोलो इंटर्नशिप से उतना पैसा नहीं आ सकता. एंड इट इज नॉट ओनली ट्रू फॉर इंडिया, सम अदर कंट्रीज टू. Like internship से उतना पैसा, like you can't rent and also expand. So that is also another advantage here. और मुझे ये लगता है कि जो आदमी यहाँ पे सेव करेगा, थोड़ा सा इन्वेस्टमेंट करेगा ना, he can plan for the future यहाँ पे, like आगे कैसे जा सकते हैं. तो like it's very different here, but yeah, it is advantages for sure.
Superb. And how you went abroad? You went via agents, because I normally try to avoid agents because of the known reasons.
Yeah. No, you don't need an agent. Like seriously. I mean, if you're preparing for CAT and CET, I mean, if you're going through an agent, I would say that why? कुछ नहीं. हमारा जो like every country has their own website. उस पे चुपचाप लॉग इन करने का, वहां पे पूरा लिस्ट होता है तुम्हें क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स चाहिए, तुम्हें क्या फॉर्म्स भरना है, और सब कुछ लिखा रहता है. इवन लोग in fact, even with respect to visa and passport, everything is clearly instructed and clearly mentioned on the website. I'll even tell you कि okay, COVID था ना, तो everyone was scared कि appointment कैसे मिलेगा, because अचानक से सब कुछ online हो गया and they stopped doing the sites because they cannot take thousands of applicants. But they have given a helpline. You have to call them a lot and then book your slot, and then you will be able to get the visa too. So you don't need to pay any agency, quite frankly speaking. There are so many agencies, even I was aware of, but if you clearly follow the instructions, you'll be able to. And come on, I mean, cover letter likhne mein, I don't think you need an agency, especially for a visa. उसमें क्या लिखना है कि तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो, क्यों जा रहे हो, पर्पस क्या है, तो ये सब तुम खुद मैनेज कर सकते हो, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. So you don't need an agency for sure. So it is not as such difficult.
यार सीधी बात है, एजेंट के थ्रू जाओगे उसको क्या होगा, उसको बेनिफिट कहाँ पे होगा, व्हेन ही सेंड्स यू टू द कॉलेज वेयर ही गेट द कमीशन. तो उसके चक्कर में आके ही यू माइट कंप्रोमाइज ऑन द कॉलेज नेम. और एक वेबसाइट नोट कर लो यार, www.google.com. एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल ऑन गूगल यार, वीजा से लेके.
हाँ, exactly.
सुपर्ब
सब
यार,
कुछ होता है.
थैंक यू रत्ना, थैंक यू कमिंग ऑन. एंड जहां तक रेसिज्म का सवाल है, आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स अ मेजर क्वेश्चन. यू कैन हैव अ बियर इन हैंड एंड यू कैन अप्रोच एनी गोरा, दे विल टॉक टू यू आराम से.
Yeah, true that. I agree.
You don't need to be that, don't do.
Yeah,
worry
in
about
fact, I am right now. I go every evening and I play volleyball with every stranger around there. Like, I don't think twice. And Nora, they could also, one more thing, they're not going to think less of you if you're a girl and you join all guys group and start playing something. So it's very chill. Even moms come ahead and play with everyone. So it is like very nice atmosphere here. So yeah, like no one's going to think like second of you for anything.
Superb. I think we as the Indian are more racist than Gora people. Borivali versus Thane, Western Line versus Central Line, Delhi versus Mumbai. So North versus South, we are more racist as compared to them.
Yeah, we have, but it's okay. It's in our culture.
It's part of
हम लोग सोचते हैं.
Exactly.
So yeah.
So, Chalia, thank you very much, Radhika. Thank you very much for taking your time out.
Yeah.
And we'll see the response, and then I might invite you again. We might trouble you again,
Sure.
probably after 1 month.
Sure thing. I'll be very happy to help.
Yes.